ever pondered the intricate journey of sperm after it enters the female body? It's an incredible voyage, a blend of science, biology, and a dash of luck. The journey starts when sperm is released into the vagina during ejaculation. Here they face their first hurdle, the acidic environment of the vagina, which can be fatal for many of them. But nature, in its clever design, provides a basic pH to counteract this acidity. This ensures that a good number of sperm survive and continue their expedition. Next, they swim towards the cervix, the gateway to the uterus. But this isn't a leisurely swim in a calm lake, it's more like sprinting upstream in a raging river. Only the strongest and fastest sperm prevail. But even then, the journey is far from over. Upon entering the uterus, they encounter a mosaic structure, the fallopian tubes. One of these tubes will be holding the prize. They seek the egg, but which one? It's a 50/50 gamble. Some will choose the right path, while others will end up in a dead end. Once they reach the egg, the real challenge begins. The egg is surrounded by a thick protective layer, the zona pellucci. Only one sperm will successfully penetrate this layer and achieve the ultimate goal, fertilization. And so the fertilized egg, now an embryo, begins its own journey, traveling down the fallopian tube to implant in the uterus, where it will hopefully grow into a healthy fetus. In summary, the journey of sperm is a challenging and complex process. It involves navigating through hostile environments, making the right choices, and ultimately being the strongest and fastest. It's a journey of survival, strength, and a little bit of luck.